Hello everybody, how are you? Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, Pesina Music. Today I'm going to do another YouTube keyboard tutorial on another Maverick City music song called You Keep On Getting Better. Now, the key of the song is in the key of G. BPM, I would say you could do it safely between 72 to 76. It's really up to you guys on what you guys feel comfortable and how you're going to use it at your service. And it's in regular 4/4 time. So let's get on this really quickly. The intro is very simple. It starts with a G sus4. Now the sus4, what a sus4 is basically a G where you have G, B, and D. But instead of the third, you're going to play a fourth. So you omit the third and you play the fourth, which the fourth is a perfect fourth above that G. So this is how you find it. So you count from G and you go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you play the D as well with that C, it gives it a suspended feel, which wants you to resolve back to that B. So that's what they do in the beginning. The beginning, what they do on the top note, they play the C, so G sus4, resolving to G. So be going like this. Very simple. So this is basically the groove from the beginning of the song, and every time you hear that G sus4 to the G, that's what we're going to be doing with that same exact rhythm. So the verse is very simple. The first two measures are going to be that G sus4 to the G, and then you're going to go to an E minor, where you can still have that kind of C B play. So it could be a C over E. The next chord after that is going to be a G over D, which is a G chord with a D on the bottom. Instead of a G, you play the D on the bottom, which this kind of acts like a D sus4, but you want to have that B in there. And then the D resolves to that D. And then you can start the sequence all over again. So the verse will go like this. Now, with the singing, and excuse me, my voice is a little shot. I've been having terrible allergies this past couple of weeks, so my voice has actually been affected. But I'm going to try my best for you guys. Thank you for all your kind words. For those who say that, I have a lovely voice, I greatly appreciate that. It makes me want to invest in a vocal coach so I can develop my skills. But I'm going to sing it an octave lower from the original because, I can't sing that high. This is how it goes with the voice, going from the intro. I'll sing of your goodness, I'll sing of your love. Through the seasons come quickly, you have always been enough. Through the night may get darker, through the waiting seems long, you have always been faithful to remind me of your love. Very simple. So the chorus is very simple. The chorus is going to have 2 measures of G. And then you're going to go to 2 measures of E minor. So in the evening I'll sing. Then you're going to have 1 measure of C. Then 1 measure of D. And then you're going to do that G sus4 again with the G. Repeat it. So the chorus goes like this. You are good. In the morning I'll sing you are good. And in the evening I'll sing, you are good. You are good to me. You have always been patient. You have always been kind. You're consistent through the ages. Whoa, what a friend of mine. So I remind myself, bless you, standing firm upon your truth, knowing you cannot be shaken, 'cause I've seen what you can do. To the chorus. Oh, you are good. In the morning I'll sing, you are good. In the evening I'll sing, you are good. You are good to me. Then you can repeat the chorus again, or go to the bridge. What they do in the piano, same exact thing, it's just an octave higher, so they go up here. So the first time they approach that bridge on the You Keep On Getting Better, just repeat that, and you repeat it again, while the singer's just repeating that bridge. So you keep on getting better, you keep on getting better, you keep on getting better, keep on getting better. And repeats and repeats and repeats. If you hear me make a little mistake in there, I'm having a little difficulty in coordinating that, syncopation on the G and singing the You Keep On Getting Better. But now, very importantly, if you want to go back to that chorus from that bridge, you're gonna repeat basically the same chord structure as of the chorus, but singing You Keep On Getting Better, and that will be your build to go back to the chorus. And this will be the example. So I'm already going to start building to the chorus. So it'll go like this. You keep on getting better, keep on getting better. You keep on getting better, keep on getting better. You keep on getting better, keep on getting better. Keep on getting better, keep on getting better. You are good. In the morning I'll sing, you are good. And in the evening I'll sing, you are good. You are good to me. So basically, it's very simple. The song's not too hard. The only difficult part, I would say, is doing that G sus4 to the G, and with the syncopations, it's not directly on the beat. You always have to remember that that G is on the and, if I'm not mistaken, B3, which will be 1 on the end of 2. Sorry, so it'll be 1. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you got to have that in mind, and you have to have that coordination if you're going to do it together with you singing it, so that you don't make the little flubs that I kind of did right now. So guys, thank you so much for tuning to my YouTube channel. I have been uploading a lot of worship instrumentals that as basically are spontaneous flows that the Lord has been leading me in. My latest one, basically I was reading Psalms chapter 23 and trying to get a different perspective on it and acquire a new different revelation on it. And that melody was just pouring out of my spirit as I was reading it. It was really neat, really beautiful. Also, if you haven't listened to our original, I Am Faint with Love, I would greatly appreciate if you do. That would mean a lot to us. And, share what you think about it. And lastly, we are coming back with the covers very soon. We just have not had a little bit of time. We've had a little bit of good family news that we will share in a future video. But, for those who are waiting, be patient. It will come soon enough. Well, thank you guys for waiting, and thank you guys for watching our stuff. Thank you for allowing us to reach over 1,200 subscribers. We are very humbled, knowing that a whole bunch of you guys are just watching us. And we thank you and we bless you. And if you want more songs, just more tutorials or covers, let us know. Put it in the comments and we'll do our very best to get them done. Thank you guys. Until next time.